RSS National General Secretary Dattatreya Hossabail has pitched to name the country Bharat and said that the nation must go forward with only one name and constitutional amendments must be made to replace India with Bharat. Speaking at the launch of the book Vimarsh Bharat Ka, published by Suruchi Prakashan at the Panchshil Balak Inter-College Auditorium, Hossabail questioned why institutions such as the Reserve Bank of India or the Constitution should still carry the English name when Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself referred to the country as the Republic of Bharat during the G20 dinner at the Rashtrapati Bhavan last year.
इसलिए पिछले दिनों में सरकार के एक G20 के निमंत्रण में अभी जनवरी 26 को प्रधानमंत्री ने उस समय राष्ट्रपति के अपने राष्ट्रपति निवास पर भोज के लिए निमंत्रण में इस बार प्रधानमंत्री अपने जनवरी 26 तारीख के कार्यक्रम के लिए संगीत के कार्यक्रम के निमंत्रण में रिपब्लिक ऑफ भारत ऐसे अंग्रेजी में लिखा, क्योंकि भारत के नाम को इंडिया ही कहना चाहिए। वो इंग्लिश में इंडिया है और भारतीय भाषा में भारत है। क्या ऐसे हो सकता है इस दुनिया में कहीं? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया भारत का संविधान, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक, हर जगह पर ऐसे क्यों करना पड़ रहा है? प्रश्न उठना चाहिए। इसको ठीक करना ही पड़ेगा ना। देश का नाम भारत है तो भारत ही कहो, और एक इंडिया क्या और एक क्या?
Responding to RSS General Secretary's statement, CPMP P. Santosh Kumar quipped that the word RSS itself contains English alphabets and they should remove it. He said that Article 1 of the Constitution clearly speaks about the name of the country, which is India, and that there was no point making this a controversy.
And tell them to remove the term RSS. These are all English alphabets, no? Why should they keep these English alphabets in their name? Tell them, RSSS. Is this Indian alphabets? Hindi alphabets? Tamil alphabets? No? So tell them to remove, change all these alphabets first. RSS. Nothing more. So this is a settled position. The Article 1st of the Constitution clearly speaks about the name of the country. It is India, that is Bharat. It's over. So there is no point in making it a controversial subject. RSS is an outdated organization which has no faith in constitutional speech. So they want to open up new areas of, not debate and discussion of controversy.